A true bridge between the past and the present, the Limoges porcelain factory La Ceigne, founded in 1774 in Saint-Thierry-et-la-Perche, is still in business today and operates under the name LS Art et Création. In light of global competition and ever-changing consumption patterns, in recent years its production, initially intended for tableware, has shifted to contemporary design. The brand makes its know-how available to artists, who create original porcelain creations. It also supplies pieces imagined by designers to Michelin-starred chefs at high-end venues. Its owner, Jean-Paul Tarade, explains the different steps involved in creating a porcelain piece.
Concerning
the steps involved in producing a porcelain piece, we'll start with the modeling. First, the shape of the piece is modeled. Modeling is a technique that requires passion, experience, and of course, technical skills. The model can be based on a sketch, inspired by a new design, or can reflect the molding of an existing porcelain object. The second step is making the production mold. The third step is casting in the production mold in order to produce the piece that was modeled. When I say casting, I mean pouring what is known in the industry as a slurry, kaolin combined with feldspar and quartz mixed with water, into the mold. In short, it's a liquid substance. When the crust inside the mold has been formed, the excess liquid is removed from the mold. Once a sufficient amount of time has passed, we can proceed to demolding. Demolding involves removing the piece and letting it dry. And then we'll do the finishing. What is the finishing? It means removing anything extra left during the molding process. After the finishing comes the first firing. The first firing temperature is around 800 or 900 degrees Celsius. The piece will be more solid after being fired at this temperature. Then there are two options. The first option is to keep it unglazed for the final firing at around 1,350 degrees Celsius. Fired but unglazed pottery is called biscuit porcelain. The second option is glazing the piece, which means there will be another operation to perform. The glazing step involves dipping the item into a glazing tray. Next, you place it inside a high-temperature kiln where a shrinking phenomenon occurs. The piece you put in will come out 14% smaller. Afterwards, the piece must once again be checked. This is because firing the clay at high temperatures often leads to imperfections, so the pieces must be sorted. This step is important because you must determine the pieces that will be offered to customers. At this point, you can either sell the white porcelain in glazed or in unglazed biscuit, or the pieces can be sent to the painting department. During this last step, depending on the items, the painting technique must be carefully chosen. This is important because depending on the pigments used, the item will need to be fired 2, 3, or even 4 times. So it's incredible to see the number of processes a piece goes through before it's finished.